Hi, everyone. Welcome to Coffee Break with Fueled Networks. I am Sarah Terpstra, and I am one of the team members here at Fueled Networks. Whether working closely or remotely, video calling has now become a critical part of the modern workplace. Here at Fueled Networks, we have been leveraging the power of Microsoft Teams for video calls daily. Hopefully your coffee is full, because today we are going to talk about the Microsoft Teams video call features and capabilities, and how we've been using it here at Fueled Networks. Using Microsoft Teams, our team can easily communicate virtually from anywhere. Video calls can be made directly within Microsoft Teams on your computer or from a phone on the Microsoft Teams app, making it easy and efficient staying connected in real time. As much as we leverage the chat feature for communication when we cannot be together in the same place, sometimes the conversation requires more detail and a call is required. Making video calls in Microsoft Teams is easy and efficient and can be done from anywhere within the Microsoft Teams platform. Let me show you. Okay, so there are a few places you can start a video call in Microsoft Teams. Let's start with the obvious choice, the call feature. Now, the easiest way to start a video call is either through your contacts or in your speed dial. In your contacts, you would just find the person you are looking to call, navigate over to the video camera icon, and click on it. This will then automatically start a video call with that person. If you don't see the person you would like to talk to in your contacts, you can either search for a contact, or you can click the Add Contact icon and search for them by name, email, or phone number. Click on the contact when they appear and click Add to add them to your contact list. From speed dial, it's relatively the same. You would just find the person you would like to call, click on the video icon, and it'll directly transfer you to a video call. If you would like to add a person to your speed dial, you click on the Add Speed Dial icon, search for the person, and add them. If you have a group of people you talk to often, you can also create a group in speed dial. Click on the new group and add in your group name and the people you would like to have involved. You can also place a call from the command bar. All you need to do is type a backslash. That just lets Microsoft Teams know that you're giving it a command. Type in the command, so I'm going to call, and then hit enter. As you can see, you are now prompted to enter the name or email of the person you would like to call. As soon as you click on the person, the call will automatically start going through. You can also start a video chat direct from any conversations you currently have open in the chat feature. In each conversation, you will see the video call option at the top corner. Click on the video camera icon to start the call. Also, if you have more than one person in your conversation, everyone involved will be included, and it will start a conference call with everyone involved in that chat. All participants will have to accept the call on the other side before you can conference with them. Now, the last place you can make a video call is anywhere in Teams you interact with your contacts. Everyone has their own contact card. This is the one way how Teams has made communicating so easy and efficient. Let's go to the Teams tab. And anywhere you see your contact's picture where they may have uploaded a document or made a comment, hover over the picture to see their contact card. Click on the video icon and place your call. As you can see, you can use these contact cards to start any kind of conversation. An audio call, a video call, an email, or a chat. Okay, so now that we have figured out all the places that Microsoft Teams has made it so easy to make a video call, time to give it a try. We're going to start our video call from the call feature. Let's see what Patricia is up to. I'm going to click on calls. Patricia's in a meeting. I think she's waiting for me, so give her a quick call.
I'm very excited to be here.
Lovely. Cool. So I just want to go over just with some of our people watching that I can click on show participants here, and here they can see that Patricia and I are in a call together. So if anyone wants to get in touch with us, they'll know we're busy, so they won't be able to at the time, or they can leave a chat and get back to us if we need to talk to them after. So today, Patricia, we're just talking about calls and video calls and just how Microsoft has made it so easy for us to be able to get in touch with each other through video. So
Awesome.
cool. How about we get someone else on the call?
All right.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. So again, Microsoft Teams has made it super swift for us to be able to add someone to a call. So we'll try Dante, see what he's up to. So all we have to do is type in the first few letters of his name up here, click on his name, and it's going to start calling him. Just give it a minute.
Hello.
Hi, Dante. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good.
Hey,
Thanks
Dante.
for joining us. So
It's a
we're just
pleasure to
going
be
over.
here.
Oh, good. So we're just going over some of the key features of video calls with Microsoft Teams with some of the people watching today. And really, I just wanted to go through some of the main features with them. Do you guys have any of the features that you guys use often or anything you enjoy using?
You know, the video is really key for me right now, especially because I'm working from home. So getting to see your wonderful faces, but also sometimes I'm not very good at explaining what I'm looking at. So being able to share my screen makes it so much easier, you know, to get my point and figure out the problem.
Yeah, so basically how we share the screen is just this little icon right here. You click share and your screen will end up right there. So Dante, you?
Yeah, screen sharing is really great. I find it helpful to be able to pop out to the chat and send files back and forth as well.
Yeah, definitely. So just over here, we can just click on the chat. And right away, you're brought to the chat. We can collaborate together. I can still keep communicating with the people that I've been communicating with throughout the day. So that's great. A couple other features that I know I like to use. So, you know, if I'm having a bad hair day, I can turn the camera off and not everybody needs to see what's going on. And the mute or not mute, sometimes, you know, people, especially working from home right now, kids come flying into the office or another phone call will come in. So I know it's nice that you're able to mute right away and other people don't have to see or hear. So, and then the other couple of other actions, you know, we're able to record this call, which is nice. So if we ever want to go back and, you know, there's always those times where you're like, oh, shoot, what did he say again? You're able to take a look and see. So any other features you guys can think of or?
Well, I like being able to change your background so nobody can see how poorly I decorate.
Yeah, so right here, we can just go in more actions and we can show the different backgrounds. So, you know, if you want to look like you're in New York City in a high rise or in a sea of balloons, you're able to do it. So awesome. So we've covered the chat feature and we've really shown how we can do video calls and communication and collaboration. Before I let you guys go, I just have one question for each of you. Outside of video calls and chat, what feature in Microsoft Teams do you find most effective in your day-to-day outside of those two?
Well, I would say that, I mean, besides the communication piece with Teams, we also have all the documents and where we can share ideas with the wikis and the files. So yeah, it's really just all right there. So I'm talking with you and I can be looking at the documents we use. And so I think that's great.
Perfect. And Dante, any for you?
I find the fact that you can also use Teams as a phone platform for doing all your calls is a really good solution that we've been able to make use of, and it works really well for us.
Awesome.
It does.
Okay.
It's true.
Awesome. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have a good afternoon.
Yeah, it was great to see you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys. Hopefully you were able to see how Microsoft Teams has helped us to communicate and stay connected easily through video calls. Remember, before you ever get started with any voice or conferencing in Microsoft Teams, it is always best to make sure you are using a Teams certified headset. Join me next segment of Coffee Time with Fueled Networks as we show you how we leverage the meetings feature and capabilities in Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions or require any further information, please contact us.